This is a regular USB flash drive. Its small size and ease of use makes it great for storing and transferring files between computers. Until now, there really hasn't been a simple and convenient way to transfer information from your flash drive to your smartphones and tablets. Introducing iLunaire, the world's first wireless flash drive reinvented with your mobile lifestyle in mind. With the iLunaire in your pocket, in your bag, or across the room, you can now wirelessly transfer files and media, stream videos and music, and store and share photos and documents to and from your mobile devices. So how does the iLunaire work? It's simple actually. When powered on, the device creates its own Wi-Fi network. Through the network, you can connect any of your mobile devices and access the stored files via our simple and easy-to-use iOS and Android app. With the iLun app, accessing and sharing content has never been easier. iLunaire allows you to take a virtually unlimited stream of photos and videos wherever you go. And it works wherever you are, even if it's in the kitchen and you happen to be in the living room. And because it's battery powered, you don't need to plug it into an outlet. Nor do you even have to be at home to use it. It can be used while you're on the go. No internet connection, cables, or mobile data required. iLunaire allows you to easily share your content with up to 8 users simultaneously, or stream movies and videos to 3 devices at once. With the ability to support multi-platform wireless streaming between any combination of mobile devices, iLunaire is perfect for setting up a fun media center with friends at the coffee shop, sharing your presentation with colleagues at the office, or just entertaining the family during a long road trip. And since you're no longer limited by the storage capacity on your phone or tablet, you can finally take your entire media collection and files with you wherever you go. With all of this extra storage, you can load a few seasons of your favorite TV shows or thousands of photos and MP3s while using 0 space on your mobile device. You no longer have to face the ultimatum of deleting your favorite pictures and videos in order to make space for new ones. So you can take selfies till your heart's content. And if that wasn't enough, we implemented USB 3.0 technology for improved power consumption, security, and most importantly, speed. In today's day and age, the last thing you need is a device that's not fast enough to keep up with your busy and mobile lifestyle. That peace of mind, along with the convenience you will gain by incorporating the iLun into your life, makes it a great investment for you and a great gift for friends and family. iLunaire, the flash drive of the future.
The Xiaomi Mijia Smart Shoes. Hey there, today I'll be looking at these. They're the Mijia Smart Shoes from Xiaomi. To test them, I got a pair in my size, took them out and wore them for the day. First and most obvious is that they look good and are quite fashionable. They come in a variety of colours, and I have the black colour with me here. Next, the comfort. Even from the first time wearing these shoes, I found them to be very comfortable and supportive, with cushioning in the right areas. I can feel they're very lightweight. They have a bit of reflective material here on the heel and on the laces, and also another handy feature is this breathable material here at the top. The Mijia Smart Shoes are good for all kinds of exercise and movement, such as running, jumping, and other activities. Amongst other things, the Amazfit Intelligent Chip 2 inside the shoe will record your speed, distance travelled, and calories burned, all of which can be displayed through the Mi Fit app you can download onto your phone. The chip inside the shoe is waterproof and the button battery is replaceable, and both are easy to take out and put back. With a price tag of $78, the Mijia Smart Shoes are much cheaper than most other big name competitors. For example, Under Armour's smart shoe, the Speedform Gemini 2, costs almost 50% more, coming in at $113. For more details on the Mijia Smart Shoes or to purchase your own pair, head to geekbuying.com or you can check the link in the description. To get your hands on the latest and greatest in tech, head to geekbuying.com and click here to subscribe.
All work and no play leave your dog bored, frustrated, and anxious. Like kids, your dog needs exercises and your company. So what should you do when you know that you need to spend all day working hard? And what's the best way to offer your dog the fun, stimulating, and exciting exercise that she needs? Well, we have an easy and super exciting answer to these questions. Now meet Wicked Bone, a bone-shaped interactive gaming device that performs like a truly smart, fun, and wonderfully wicked companion of your dog. It couldn't be more exciting, really. Wicked Bone is really easy to use. Just download the Wicked Bone app and connect via Bluetooth, and you can start playing with your dog. Move it with its virtual joystick. Wicked Bone feels just like any other video game. Wicked Bone's 9 preset motions are able to constantly keep your dog highly focused. The interactive mode is perfect for the moments when you're busy doing something important. When the interactive mode is activated, it is wired to guide your dog to play with it. Wicked Bone acts responsively to different types of touch based on its original emotional system, always in a playful manner that keeps up with your dog's mood and reactions. Wicked Bone lets you choose or set different modes to play indoors and outdoors. And you could even play it without looking at your phone. The FDA class material of Wicked Bone's body, cover, and the tires are certified, safe for humans and pets. Charged once for 1 hour, Wicked Bone lasts for 40 minutes in the drive mode, over 4 hours in the interactive mode, and 3 months in sleep mode. The replaceable tires are easy to clean and quick to put together. Simple, smart, efficient, and wickedly fun. Wicked Bone makes exciting days of health, happiness, and play be only one click away from you and your dog.
Think this can't happen to you? Think again. Because the greatest threat to your cybersecurity may not be from the outside. It may be from the person sitting next to you. Data breaches can cost your company money and credibility. Once lost, those are difficult to recover. That's why Halberd deals with the threat at the source, so you don't pay at the end. When you get up, Halberd automatically secures your computer from intrusion and compromise. When you return, Halberd turns your computer back on, securing all your data from breach. Halberd, an elite end-user defense system. You know you need it.
Bye, Chi-Chi. Bye, Kitty. Bye, George. For everybody that can't afford George at home, here comes Mia. Mia is a fully automatic robot that will take care of your pets while you are away. Unfortunately, we all have to spend a lot of time away from our best friend. With Mia, never worry again about your pets as you leave home. Simply add your dog's or cat's favorite treats. Set the time for which you want Mia to play with your pets and the number of treats. Mia is ready to go. Mia navigates freely through your home, avoiding all possible obstacles. Rewarding your pets with treats throughout the day. Mia also comes as a connected ecosystem. Thanks to the Wolf Box, if your dog barks, Mia will automatically start and change his mindset. The ecosystem also includes a camera that can be placed anywhere in your home. As Mia turns on, the camera will activate itself so that you will never have to miss another moment of your little buddy's life. Don't miss anything with Mia. Peace of mind, reduced separation anxiety, active cats and dogs. Mia will change the life of your best friend.
Hi, I'm Pascal.
Hi, I'm Michael.
I'm really excited to be here to present to you our first robot, Mia. Please help us launch Mia around the world and be the first one to get this exciting robot that will change the life of your cats and dogs.
Over the last 2 years, thousands of people have shown great interest into the development of Mia, and we thank you for your feedback. Please support us on Kickstarter to bring Mia to your home.
To present to you our first robot, Mia. Please.
Years, thousands of people have shown great interest into the development of Mia. Je me demandais pourquoi tu me regardais.